Every rose has its thorn. It's like every cowboy sings a sad, sad song.
There's a duck in your truck.
The truck is stuck in the muck. This is the part where the truck becomes unstuck.
Hey Scarlett, do you want to give your mommy some kisses?
How about kisses for Grandma? Kisses for Grandma? Can I come and get some kisses? I'm gonna come and get some kisses. Yes, I'm gonna come and get some kisses. Wanna have some kisses?
Hey Scarlett. Where are you going?
She's very busy, Daddy.
Where are you going? Can Daddy have your rake? Can Daddy have your rake, Squirrel? Or do you want it? Can I have your rake? Is it for Dada? Or do you want it? Let's do this. Let's fill up here. Water table a little bit. Is that Dada? Hold it. Daddy's gonna turn it on. Whoa. Let's see.
You can let the girl hold it, Dada.
You gotta hold it. You wanna hold it? Come over here. Come over here and hold it, okay? Good job. That's one way to get a drink.
You got it all wet, huh? Are you all wet?
That's how it works.
Silly girl.
If you put it on you, then you get wet. Oh no. You know, we'll change it in a little while. Yeah? You put it up here?
Say no, no, Dada.
Come here.
No, no, Dada. You're silly.
She likes getting wet.
Does it feel good? You cooling off? Getting cool? That feels good on your feet, doesn't it?
She's the smartest one of all of us.
Does that feel good? Yeah. That is filling it up so you can play, play, play.
You dumping it on Mommy's shoes?
Yeah, she's putting it on your
Thank you, honey.